Hi, I'm Rhonda Clark, and I'm the Certified Nutrition Health Coach at Clark Chiropractic. And my tip for today is a new dessert that I have created, and it's called Cinnamon Raisin Protein Balls. And my granddaughter here is modeling them for me. Her name is Amelia. Thank you, Amelia, for modeling my new dessert. And I see that you've already eaten half of one of those. How did it taste?
Delicious.
It was delicious, wasn't it? And now, I did dip half of them in some Enjoy Life chocolate chips, and half of them I didn't. So this half, you could maybe make them for the morning time. They're great with the protein and stuff in the morning, but if you want them a little bit more sweet, you would dip them in the chocolate. And as I go over this recipe with you, then you'll know, you can make the decision what's best for you, how you want to make them for your family. But you start with 1.5 cups of rolled oats. I use the Bob Red's meal because it's gluten-free. 1/3 cup of raisins, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of cashew butter, but you could use almond butter or even peanut butter if you wish. 1 scoop of my Warrior Blend protein. It's chocolate. And then the chocolate that I mentioned that was on there, I used the semi-sweet Enjoy Life, and I only used about 2 tablespoons. I melted it in the microwave for about 40 seconds, and then I was able to dip half of them. So if you wanted to put all of them in chocolate, you would do about 4 tablespoons. And then afterwards, you're gonna wanna take these balls and put them in the refrigerator because it's real food. It will go bad. Keep them in the refrigerator. You could even freeze them and take them out when you want them. I hope you enjoy them. And from all of us at Clark Chiropractic, remember, real food matters.